This is the video blending guide for G. Now, G we can refer to as the neck sound because so much of the sound formation comes from right down here. And so a useful way of getting this sound across to the students is to get them to pull out the sound from their neck. So G, 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 G. I know it seems ridiculous to an adult, but of all of the physical mnemonics that I've used with the students, this is the one that seems to be most memorable and seems to stick the most. So, pulling out the sound from their neck. Is another one which tends to have a vowel tacked onto the end of, so ga, ga, ga. You've got to make sure that this remains as g, 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 rather than ga. In terms of the blend, in the books, this is represented as like a vibration coming out of their neck, and the sound carrying through the vibration through to the vowel. So we want to really try and use the physical action of pulling out the sound to help the students get the blend completed. So ga, ge, go, ga. And so just as when we're moving our finger across with the more conventional slow blends, this is a lot quicker, but the completion of the pulling the sound out of our neck has that same kinesthetic function of pulling the one sound to the other, and can be a useful support in helping the students to blend this sound.